Yes, welcome to this presentation on the Microsoft Live session. The topic for my presentation is role of OERs in the case of education. So the outline for my presentation, it will consist of objectives. It will consist of introduction to the OERs. It will consist of 5 hours of OERs. Why these OERs are important and the need of OERs in the case of education. The benefits to teachers and the education institutes. The different tools required for OER development and the Creative Commons licensing and required for that. Now the objectives for OERs to introduce the concept of OER, to state the 5 hours of OER, to justify the need of OERs in education, to describe the benefits of OER to teachers and institutes, to list the tools for OER development, and to list the types of licenses for OER, to state the current global scenario. So let's explore OER. So when we say content in the educational domain, which is in the public domain and with an open license, it all comes in the category of OER. These are different definitions of OER which are present on the net. The different logos of OER. The 5 R's of OER is retain, reuse, revise, remix, and redistribute. Now, why these OERs are important? Because they save money, they save time, they improve the access also to learning, democratize the learning, and they make the learning reusable and make an impact. It is important for education because it is flexible and it promotes self-learning in the students, and it's a new way of innovative approach towards the education transactions. The benefits to teachers are many in number. It requires consistent real-time feedback from the learners, and it is also making a platform to get the real feedback from the learners. Recognition for the teachers, which is beyond the classroom. It will increase the number of learners and it also enhances the scope of learning and the creativity. Now, the benefits to the thing of education institutes, there is a global recognition. It increases the reputation and world-class curriculum. It increases the support to distance education and lifelong learning. So what to do and how do I develop this OER? We can develop this OER by the tools. The content in the black, they list the different types of OER, and the content in the bracket are the different software tools which can be used for the purpose of basic creation of OER. These are some of the licenses which could be given to OER development, and these licenses are to safeguard and protect the creation and to avoid the copyright issues. It's a spectrum to show the different licenses which could be given for the OER development. And this is the current global scenario for the OER where different countries have already started. They have been using it for so many years and now they are learning more with the respect of OERs and all. So it is actually need of the hour. So thank you for listening to this live session on Microsoft Teams. We will go back now and I will take you to this Microsoft Teams. There is Quizlet live also. Connectivity may take some time. So these are the role of OERs in the case of education. So it is saying create game, role of OERs. I can select individuals. So once we select the live Quizlet, it's a good option, and this is the quiz code. Uh, so by using this code,